This is a presentation on the redesign of Apple Maps. The purpose of the project is to enhance the user experience of Apple Maps. We started with identifying the user pain points through heuristic analysis and create a product prototype to showcase our redesign ideas. Then, by conducting usability tests and gathering feedback from participants, we identified strengths and opportunities for improvement in the redesigned Apple Maps. Through the first redesign lifecycle, we successfully improved usability, user-friendliness, and efficiency of the app. The first feature is Apple Maps icon. The user concerns are that the logo has a pale color palette and a flat, busy background, making it hard to find the Apple Maps logo on the user's home screen. Our design solutions are to reduce excessive color blocks for simplification, make new color palette accessible to colorblind users, and add an outer white space to make the logo stand out and more findable. This serves the Nielsen-Norman principle of recognition than recall. From the usability test, we found that users spent less time locating the logo. A participant mentioned,
"The process was easier due to the simpler shapes and colors."
The second feature is the search bar and favorite buttons. The user concerns are the duplicated steps and extra workloads to perform the tasks. To edit the search query, the users have to navigate back to the previous screen. To add a location to favorite, the users have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Our design solutions, aligning with Nielsen's heuristics principle of flexibility and efficiency of use, are to make the search bar consistently appear at the top of the screen and to place the favorite button right beside the location name. One point from the users that was really useful and applied to our wireframe revision is to add subcategories of the favorites options. As a result, the time spent to edit search was reduced by 30%, and the favorites button got 10 out of 10 for user friendliness. The third feature is the screen-on-screen functionality. The current issue is that the users cannot view Apple Maps while using other apps, apart from getting phone calls. We address the issue by adding a minimized navigation interface, which acts differently based on the context such as phone calls, app switching, and messaging. This serves the Nielsen-Norman principle of flexibility and efficiency of use. The participants found the feature to be very helpful. One issue to be considered and addressed in the future is the safety concerns around multitasking while driving. The last feature is the offline service. The lack of offline services on the current Apple Maps can cause problems when users enter areas with poor or no internet connection. Our solutions are to automatically download essential routes, the route from the current location to the destination, and the route from the destination back to the origin. We also have an option to cache emergency service locations in data such as gas stations, repair shops, and hospitals. Lastly, we have an option for the users to save the offline cache permanently in the application setting. This addresses the Nielsen heuristic principle of error prevention. From the usability test, all participants agreed that the offline feature would be very useful. One participant reported,
"It's a lot better since it fills the gap that the current Apple Maps can't perform."
In general, with all the changes we made including the Apple Map logos, core functionalities, and additional features, participants showed a positive attitude towards the redesigned Apple Maps, demonstrating major improvements in providing accessibility, enhancing user efficiency, and expanding the usage scenarios. However, this is an iterative process where our work needs to be continuously reviewed and revised. In the end, we hope our redesign will elevate the navigation experience, offering Apple Maps users a seamless and intuitive way to explore the world.